The storm is accelerating. Reroute power to the forward deflectors. All hands, brace for severe turbulence. Bridge. Initiate emergency protocol 9. The eye wall is collapsing. Reroute main power to the stabilizers now. Status report. I want all hands on alert. We hold the line here, no matter what. Reroute auxiliary power to the stabilizers now. We're losing containment on Deck 5. All hands, battle stations. We have a confirmed breach on level 4. Seal the bulkhead doors immediately and prepare for impact. Signal integrity failing, we're losing the data feed.
Reroute power to the main grid. Where is the target?
Still tracking, but the encryption is holding.
Reroute auxiliary power to the shields. I want full stabilization now.
The Behemoth is stabilizing. I want all batteries charged and ready. We engage on my mark. Sound the sector-wide alarm. Begin evacuation protocols now.
Move quickly to the bunkers. The storm is intensifying.
Keep the line moving. Secure the perimeter.
Absorb. The window is closing. All ground teams must prioritize the civilians.
All units! I have a visual on 3 civilians at my current
Coordinates! We need to move now! The storm is worsening! This is Captain Petrova. Dispatch Team 3 Tango to grid coordinates Force 2. Assist the struggling family and report status.
All right, easy now. We got you.
Thank you so much. Readings are spiking beyond tolerance. Activate the shield defenses and prepare the heavy ordnance teams. Attention ground teams. The seismic activity is increasing. Brace for impact and prioritize civilian evacuation routes Gamma and Zeta.
Look at the energy signature here. This confirms it. The creature isn't a malicious monster. It's simply a force of nature we don't yet understand.
We analyzed the resonance pattern.
The Behemoth isn't destroying the storms, it's creating them. So we don't fight it. We weather it.
We're taking heavy damage. Secure the console and get to cover now.
Fall back! Everybody out, now! Move out! Double time! We need to clear this ridge before the next tremor. All units, brace for impact! I repeat, brace for impact! It's heading for the geothermal power plant. If it gets there, the core will overload. Command, the Behemoth has changed course. It's heading for the reactor. We need immediate air support. We can't stop it, but maybe we can redirect it. We overload the energy capacitors to create a massive energy pulse to lure the Behemoth on a different path, out towards the sea.
I won't lie, the odds are against us. But I trust every single one of you to see this through.
We move at dawn.
This is our only shot. Maintain speed. Breaching the gate in T-minus 30 seconds. Do not engage the rear threat. Everyone gets down. We have incoming debris. Echo Squad, provide covering fire on the target. Hold position. Check the main conduit schematics. We need power to Sector 4. Discharge now! Ah! All right, crisis averted for now. Ken, keep eyes on the target. Eris, report status.
Keep moving, don't stop! It's coming down! Almost there, hit the override!
All units, evacuate immediately.
The Behemoth is unavoidable. gone. Let's move and secure the perimeter.
Yes, Captain.
All units, this is the captain. Prepare for immediate extraction at checkpoint Gamma. The storm is intensifying. Look at the scale of it. We have a long way to go, but we start now. Secure the perimeter.